and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll make my favorite fusion dish called Chilli Tofu. It is usually made with the paneer, but I'm going to give it a twist by using tofu instead of paneer. It is a yummy dish with spicy chili sauce. So let's begin. So here we are with one block of firm tofu and we have drained it. We're going to cut it into 1-inch squares. So this is our 1-inch cube cut tofu pieces. So here we have gone ahead and cut a 1/2-inch piece of ginger into julienne slices. So here we are with 5 cloves of garlic. You want to peel them, and we are going to mince them very finely until they are small. We are going to add some cornstarch, and to be exact, it's going to be 2 teaspoons. Again, in our batch of tofu, we are going to add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. Here we are adding 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. So we're gonna add now some chili sauce and 1 teaspoon because this is very spicy. So this is what our tofu looks like when it is mixed, and we are adding a lot of spices because tofu itself doesn't have a lot of flavor, so we need to really incorporate lots of flavor. So here we are, we're taking a large wok and we're gonna heat this up. Once we have heated up our wok, we are going to add 3 drops actually of oil, and then we're going to take a paper napkin and actually spread this oil throughout the pan. Now,
this is really hot, so maybe ask your parents for help.
Once our pan has become very hot, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, and this time we're not actually going to mix it, because after that we're going to add our tofu pieces. Do you see how they are turning crispier on the outside? Now we are going to transfer our tofu into a nice bowl. So now, using the same wok, we are going to heat it up and add 2 teaspoons of oil. We're going to get ready for our sauce, and these are the ingredients you need. You need 4 tablespoons of finely minced garlic, julienne cut ginger, 1 cup of cubed onions, 1/2 cup of green onion, 1/2 cup of tomatoes that are cubed, 1 serrano chili that has been cut into juliennes. You want 1/2 cup of lettuce and 1 cup of cubed bell pepper. So now our oil is heated up. We're going to add our garlic. Cook the garlic on high flame, and while that is happening, we are going to also add our ginger and also cook that on a high flame. We want to cook it until it is brown. And now when our garlic has browned up, we are going to add our onions, bell pepper, chili, and our spring onion. Now that our onions are transparent, we're going to add our sauces. Those sauces include 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce.
So now that we have some sizzle pop pop,
We are going to add a pinch of red chili flakes. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt and 2 to 3 grounds of black pepper. We are going to add our tomatoes and our lettuce. to mix them very well, and this will ensure our smoky taste. It's very spicy. To counteract this spiciness, we're going to add some sweet and spicy tomato sauce. And this is 2 tablespoons. You would stop here. If you want a drier version of what I am making today, you could add your tofu mixture already. But we're going to make the gravy style. So we're gonna add 1.5 cups of water. As you see, it's very runny, and we're going to fix that because we are going to add a mixture of a cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and double that amount of water into a small bowl. And now we're going to mix it well, and half the amount of our slurry. And we're gonna keep on mixing this. And I'd say that is about half. So once you're mixing this, you're probably gonna see that it's becoming a little bit thicker. And we're also, now that we have added a half and mixed it, we're gonna add the entire thing. If it's too spicy for you guys, you can add a tablespoon of sugar. And sugar actually brings out more flavor, so I recommend you guys actually try it. Now you want to let this boil. Okay, so after a few minutes of boiling, this has definitely become thicker. And let me just show you guys that. And it also has become very shiny and glossy. And now we are going to add in our tofu. We're going to mix this well so that the sauce has incorporated inside the tofu. After a few minutes of letting it cook, our Indo-Chinese tofu chili is now ready to be eaten. Our dish is ready, and now we are going to garnish it with some spring onion. Sprinkle it over the top. Here's what it looks like from the top. You see, I have spread the spring onion all throughout, and now our dish is ready to eat. Now we are going to feast on our dish, and I actually take a little bit of the naan, and we dip it into a little bit of the curry, scoop up everything that's in there, and then we sink it into our mouths. So 3, 2, 1. Onions, they give a nice crunch. The gravy, it gives a really nice spiciness and savoriness. Tofu, nice softness to add to the dish. And the garlic, wow, it has a nice garlicky taste. I'm so excited if you guys try this dish, because
I've actually been eating this off camera. It's been way too good. I actually like my 5th naan. Ooh.
so yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to try it. So there you have it, one of my favorite Indo-Chinese dishes. I make this dish so many times because I love the fusion of different cuisines. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell notifications so you know when I post another video. Also comment any dishes you guys want me to make sure. See you next time.